Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So this is AiHouse design. This is a renovation function. So from this renovate function is under this AI design. So you press here return. Okay, AI design is from here only. So once you press this, you come into here. You press renovation. Okay, will be look something like this. So there's model 1, model 2, depend on the function. The description you can read in here. Alright. So let's say I use for this one for model 1. So this is the space type. This is the preference upload image. Reference, okay, and this is the description. You can use a type or you can use an image to word also. Alright, depend on your choice. So for now, I'm going to upload an image. Okay, so from here, I'm going to drag one image, drag and drop like this to upload. Okay, once you upload finish the picture, okay, you can just press return one there and then press design again. You see upload here, renovation here. Okay, so you can see, as you can see, it's already done. Okay, so from here I'm going to change it. So I'm going to select kitchen. Okay, select template kitchen. So maybe I'm going to use this as a reference. Press confirm. Okay, so high, low. So this one I'm going to go select high. So image 2. Okay, so from here then press generate. Alright, once complete, as you can see, it's similar as my this image design. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, bye.